I wanted to just record like my natural first walkthrough. I'm gonna pull it together and get some footage of this place completely empty before I bring in my stuff. Dude, I love this carpet. Damn. Knock, knock. Oh, there's a spider on my doorknob. Oh, spider. Oh, thank you. Goodbye. Can't even like soak it all in. Like my glasses are dirty. It's so cute. Sorry. Oh God. This is so nice. And it's like I don't even care how nice it is. Like it's mine. Like I live here by myself. Oh my God. Look at these ceilings. I have to stand in every corner. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm doing the most unflattering angles. Okay, first of all, I'm freaking out and I've only been in the main room. Echo! Oh, we're gonna have to do something about that. Oh my God. I love it. Oh my God, I haven't even gone into the bathroom! I'm just gonna set you here. Oh my God! This bathroom! Oh my God, it's huge! Look at it. What the? This mirror! This mirror! Why did you get here? Oh my God! Oh my God. I have to sit on this. Oh my God. I don't need to show you all the closets, but we've got linen closet, that's a pantry, and then of course the laundry area. My bedroom. Should I take off my socks? Or my shoes, I mean? There's carpet. I want to get the full like carpet experience. Also, I don't own a vacuum yet, so I'm not in a rush to. This carpet! Oh, this bedroom is mine. I am shook. Well, that's a very squeaky door. This carpet is so soft and like new. I love the wall color in here. This room already is like my sanctuary. Like, this is peaceful in here. The wall color in here is so nice. Is it different in the living room? I really like the walls. That's awesome. And this giant window, and this view, and this carpet. I haven't looked at the closet. It's so big. There's a light switch. Is there no light? Oh, it's on the outside. This closet. See, like, this closet is the size of like every bathroom I've had in the last 5 years. I could just hang out in here. I'm in my closet. What's that one South Park song?
Why won't you both just come out the closet? And they said, we're not coming out the closet.
I forgot about the laundry room. I forgot about the laundry. This room is so big. Oh my goodness. I can't even believe I got this place. Oh my God. Thanks for watching.